What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Ladies and gentlemen, Satoshi has decided to speak. At least what we think is Satoshi. The self-proclaimed Satoshi officially has a problem with one of the, if not the largest stock or company in the world, in Apple. Recently, a story came out that apparently the Bitcoin white paper is on the Mac OS. Well, Satoshi, or the self-proclaimed Satoshi, has spoken, and Justin's going to take us to the article, and you know we got something to say about it. So, Justin, take us away.
All right, yeah. So Hobbs did a great job of opening this up. So the self-proclaimed Satoshi is Dr. Craig White, right? And he's claiming that Apple violated some copyright laws. So earlier this week, news broke of Bitcoin white paper being deeply integrated into the new MacBooks, thus prompting many to ponder whether or not Apple was in violation of copyright laws. Subsequently, White responded with hell yeah, they are out here stealing our stuff. So many Bitcoin enthusiasts have taken to Twitter after it was discovered that the digital assets white paper is hidden within Apple's MacBooks. The discovery was a very interesting one for crypto community, yet it appears many have made note of the discovery for other reasons. Some have even encouraged Wright to take legal actions against the tech giant, which, I mean, if he does own Bitcoin, then I guess that could be pretty lucrative, seeing how, you know, Apple has a lot of money. So, but it was discovered that a copy of the Bitcoin white paper had been hidden in Apple's Macs for some time. Along with the discovery, it was reported that the white paper was present in Mac OS since the Mojave version 5 years ago. So this has been in the Mac for a very long time. I mean, 5 years isn't short. And the fact that it was hidden is interesting. So it begs the question, did Apple have anything to do with Bitcoin? What do you think, Hobbs?
Listen, I think this is a nothing burger, but it's also quite funny, right? One, the dude is not Satoshi, right? He's just not, right? Two, if Apple wanted to tell people about Bitcoin, why didn't they just tell people about Bitcoin? I really don't understand the purpose of hiding it and then later having to find out it's been on there for 5 years. And then three, I didn't even know Bitcoin had a white paper. So that's actually kind of interesting to me, right? But in the grand scheme of things, to sue Apple for basically providing a lane to grow the awareness of Bitcoin is kind of crazy if you're a Bitcoin enthusiast. I would be 100% okay with Apple, Google, whatever other software that wants to add the white paper of Bitcoin and let people know that it's there so that they can educate people on cryptocurrency in general. If you're a crypto enthusiast, then I think the idea of not letting people know is stupid. I think that you should 100% be out here trying to spread the gospel of cryptocurrency. So I don't understand him being upset. Surprise, yeah. Being upset and wanting to sue. Come on, man. Let's just be bullish on crypto and get this thing moving out to other people. So those are kind of my thoughts. What do you think, Jake?
I mean, I guess the question is, can he win? Can he first, I guess he'd have to prove that he is Satoshi, but then after that, could he win? I think that's the biggest question. Because I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, if it, like you said, it's free information. I mean, yeah, if it's out there, you can look it up anywhere. So, you know, and it's not like they're stealing anything by it. It's not like they're hurting BTC or crypto as a whole. So I don't see how you can do copyright necessarily. But hey, more power to them.
I don't get it. If ClearCryptos found out, you know, 4 years from now that Mac OS was secretly hiding their white paper on Mac, I don't think ClearCryptos would be looking to sue. Call me crazy, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Come back and see myself and Justin over here on the Clear Cryptos Education channel. That's all we have. You guys have a great day. Peace.